Chef Matthew and I hosted a retreat this spring at Good Commons called Mind, Body, Spirit, Recharge. Stephanie Ziv was the life coach, and in one of her sessions, she encouraged us all to activate our big idea. Matthew turned to me and said, "It's time to write the cookbook." Finally, this moment for me was 10 years in the making. It took the making of Meal After Meal in Matthew's large one-bedroom in Washington Heights, to his tiny one-bedroom in Midtown, to the electric skillet that we used during the renovation process here, to a fully complete and very active kitchen, to teach Matthew that he is indeed a chef. But it is my opinion that Matthew is also an artist. He slips into a bit of a creative food trance when preparing a dish. And when asked to share his secrets, he laughs in response, "If I can remember them." So please aid me in tasking Matthew with translating his instinctual culinary talent into measuring cups and teaspoons and cooking temperatures so that you can have the Good Commons experience at home. And throughout the book of Foodie Magic, I will drop in from chapter to chapter to share some bits of building Good Commons info, like how many times I had to balance transfer money off my credit cards to afford to put Matthew in the kitchen and you in the good bus to Vermont.